Haris Anam Zulkifli. Today I'll be discussing a significant case involving Amazon and the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, or called as Osha, which highlights the critical balance between workplace safety and productivity in the corporate world. Amazon, one of the largest global employers, have long been admired for its innovation and efficiency. However, recent investigations by OSHA have placed the company under scrutiny for alleged safety violations in its warehouses. These cases bring to light the challenges faced by organizations striving to meet high productivity demands while ensuring their employees' well-being. From ergonomic hazards to high injury rates, Amazon's practices have sparked debates about workplace conditions in fast-paced environments. The settlements and ongoing investigations serve as a wake-up call not just for Amazon but for industries worldwide to rethink how they prioritize employee safety without compromising operational efficiency. This case is a crucial reminder that human resources are at the heart of any organization and their well-being directly impacts its success.
Assalamualaikum everyone, my name is Fazin Izwan Yusa, metric number 212995. I'll provide a brief overview of Amazon, a company at the center of the OSHA issue we're discussing. Amazon was founded in 1994 by Jeff Bezos. Originally, it started as an online marketplace for books, but it has since transformed into a global technology powerhouse. Today, Amazon operates across e-commerce, cloud computing, artificial intelligence, logistics, and entertainment, employing over 1.5 million people worldwide. Its massive scale and influence has made it one of the most valuable companies in the world. Despite its success, Amazon has faced significant controversies, particularly regarding its treatment of workers and workplace safety practices. Amazon has been repeatedly cited by the Occupational Safety and Health Administration for violating workplace safety regulations. These violations often involve ergonomic hazards in warehouses where employees are subjected to repetitive motions, heavy lifting, and awkward postures, increasing the risk of musculoskeletal disorders. Employees in Amazon warehouses report high-pressure environments driven by strict productivity quotas. Many workers have experienced heat stress, dehydration, and exhaustion, particularly in peak seasons. OSHA investigation revealed that Amazon often failed to document workplace injuries accurately. Moreover, injured employees have reported delays or denials in medical care, leading to worsening health conditions. Reports indicates that Amazon enforces grueling schedules and tracks employee productivity down to the second, with penalties for not meeting targets, which adds to the physical and mental strain. While Amazon is a symbol of innovation and operational efficiency, its workplace practices have sparked widespread criticism and regulatory scrutiny. These controversies highlight the tension between achieving business goals and safeguarding employee welfare. Thank you.
Moving on to the stakeholders affected. The first one is Amazon employees itself. Employees are directly impacted by safety regulations as they are designed to protect their physical and mental well-being in the workplace. A safe work environment contributes to employee satisfaction, reduces injuries, and improves overall health. The next stakeholders is Occupational Safety and Health Administration's OSHA. OSHA is responsible for enforcing workplace safety regulations and ensuring compliance across industries. They have a vested interest in ensuring that Amazon, as a major employer, adheres to safety standards. Another stakeholders that are affected is Amazon's Human Resource Management (HRM) department. The HRM department plays a crucial role in implementing and enforcing safety policies within Amazon. Their responsibilities include employee training, conducting safety inspections, and investigating human resource accidents. And last but not least, the stakeholders that are affected is the customers. While less direct, customers are stakeholders because the safe working conditions can indirectly contribute to improve in product quality, enhance in customer satisfaction, and a good brand image for Amazon. To add on, the additional stakeholders that are affected can be the competitors, the investors, the labor unions, and the public.
So let's move on the analysis of the human resources issues. So the first one is high rate of injuries in ergonomics. So several articles in investigation by OSHA have established that Amazon warehouses have higher injury rates, primarily musculoskeletal injuries. These injuries usually occur due to pure mechanical causes such as bending or lifting, as well as due to excessive standing or working in course of work. Another concern with the recent performance quotas issues in the company is that they compel most workers to work faster and ignorantly end up causing accidents. The second one is the heat stress and environmental hazard. The other point of the concern is basically out of some of the centuries. So the temperature has been stated to go very high in those areas with poor ventilation and reduce opportunities for cool water in the production floor, especially when business is busy. So the third one is regulatory scrutiny in funds. Osha has launched separate investigation into Amazon safety conditions more than once, punishment by fines, or requiring the company to undertake certain measures. Critics are, however, quick to say that the company's strong obsession with operational efficiencies can impress substantive safety enhancement. And the last one is the effective of employee morale and turnover. We also see that the stress and injury from unsafe working conditions, increased turnover, and decreased morale and ability to attract quality personnel. Those individuals who perceive low organizational value and experience workplace dangers do not have the organizational commitment to stay loyal and be productive, thus jeopardizing the organization's stability.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Musa Muhammad, and I'll be talking about the discussion part about Amazon company. So, workplace-based safety concern in warehouses. So, recent reports shows that warehouses are facing unprecedented safety challenges, as evidenced by frequent citation from Osha, Occupation Safety and Health Administration. For unsafe working conditions, these violations often point to issues like improper handling of the hazardous materials, inadequate protective equipment, and unsafe equipment maintenance. The consequences of such non-compliance are far-reaching, not only in terms of potential fine, but also the human cost. In fact, injury rates in warehouses are significantly higher than industry averages. Employees working in these environments are exposed to a variety of risks, such as repetitive stress injuries, slips and falls, and so on. One of the examples as well, the serious ones, are accidents related to machinery or heavy lifting. While most workplaces aim for zero injuries, warehouses settings, particularly in fulfillment centers, have consistently shown high rates of physical harms. Moving on about the impact on employees. The impact of these unsafe conditions goes beyond physical injuries. However, while automation has its benefits, it's not a complete solution. So companies also need to focus on enhancing employees' training, making sure workers are properly educated on safety protocols, emergency procedures, and how to use equipment safely. Some businesses have also partnered with safety organizations to gain insight into best practice and improve their safety culture. These initiatives, while a step in the right direction, must be consistently evaluated to ensure that they are making a measurable differences in the workplace. Last but not least are the opportunities for improvement. Despite these efforts, there is still significant room for improvement. A key area that needs attention is strengthening the compliance with OSHA standards. While some companies have made progress, others still fall short when it comes to meeting the full scope of safety regulations, strengthening these practices.
Assalamu alaikum, my name is Liu Xinhang. My part is about the solution. And the first point is optimize the work environment. Introduce the automatic tools like robot lifters, calculators to reduce the physical strain. Enhance the workstation equipment with the anti-figures mat and the adjusted desks. Next part is strengthen safety training. Implement the mandatory OSHA complement training for all new and existing employees. Focus on training for hazardous equipment handling, emergency response, and proper use of protective gear. The next part is conduct competitive health safety attitudes. About the regularly enhance the third-party safety consultants to adult warehouse for the compliance. The next is the set up the real-time monitoring system to identify and address the personal hazard promptly. The next one is the enhance the emergency preparedness. Conduct the regular evaluation drills and fire safety training to improve the emergency response skills, update and improve the escape route signaling and equipment to ensure the visibility and accessibility. The next one is the foster a safety culture, create an economic reporting mechanism to encourage employees to flag the safety issue, regularly to share the indicted data and improvement plans, and enhance the transparency and the trust. And the next one is implement intensities and accountability measures. Reward the employee who suggest effective safety improvement to foster participation. And next one is the productively cooperating with OSHA. Joining OSHA Volunteer Protection Program, the VVP, to enhance the overall safety management. Regularly update the policy and the standard to ensure the OSHA list regulation. With this measure, Amazon can significantly reduce the injury rates, improve the compliance, and enhance the employee the safety.
Thank you, Brother Liu. Without further ado, proceed to my part in this presentation where I'll be talking on the recommendations part for our project, which is the Amazon and Osha. Okay, for recommendations part, we are recommending the Amazon to make sure the organization can practice and implement an effective and comprehensive economic programs and comply applicable OSHA standards. It actually consists of job designing related to economics, such as redesigning the workplaces for employees to reduce the economic concerns, and employees teach employees on how to manage and conduct jobs and tasks in efficient ways, and take note of any economic concerns that occur to improvise with an effective initiative to ensure a safe working environment. For the next one, we are recommending the Amazon to provide effective training programs to the employees to expose them to on the standards that they need to practice suitable with OSHA, Occupational Safety and Health Administration. Training programs such as coaching, orientation, onboarding will be very beneficial to introduce the safety standards of OSHA to employees. And then the next one is to call on authorities such as OSHA, Occupational Safety and Health Administration, to check and give feedback regularly on the current working environment, to reduce issues and problems with economic in organizations. And then the next one is to provide on-site medical support. It's actually to monitor and oversee any incidents related to injury that arise from economic issues and provide immediate support. So it's so that the injury will be not too serious and the issues related to the economic can be reduced among employees. And then the next one is to make and organize a regular check and evaluations on the current working environment and employees' workloads to make sure the safe facilities are in good condition and employees are satisfied with the working environment and workloads provided by organization. 360 evaluations and team evaluation methods will be very useful to make sure we can the Amazon can identify the employees' performance regarding the standards that being followed. I think that's all from us. From me, I will pass to the next presenter. Thank you very much.
My name is Majin Cho. Let's explore the interaction between occupational safety and health and Islamic principle. Today we delve into how the value of Islam align with the mission of Occupational Safety and Health Administration, or OSHA. From an Islamic perspective, the principle of OSHA resonate deeply with teaching that emphasize the sanctity of life. In Islam, every life is precious and safeguarding is a fundamental duty. This belief underlines the moral responsibility of employers to ensure the safety and well-being of their workers. The teaching of Prophet Muhammad, peace upon him, further emphasized the importance of avoiding harm and fulfilling trust. He taught that every individual has a right to safety and dignity in their work. This makes occupational safety a moral duty in Islam. Prophet Muhammad, peace upon him, said there are two blessings which many people lose: health and free time. Sahih Bukhari. This hadith highlight the value of health, reminding us to take care of our well-being and by extension to ensure that our work environment support health and safety. Let us commit to fostering safe and healthy workplace, reflecting the divine value of justice and cooperation inherent in our faith. Together we can make a difference.